just go open this. Put a pinch in the spoon. Yeah, come on, come out. And I got my bread ready and my 2 glasses of water.
What was hotter, that or the jalapeno, Henry? Henry, what was hotter? The Tabasco or the jalapeno?
Jalapeno!
Okay. You want some more Tabasco?
I'll have some more Tabasco. Just wait, let me get some bread.
Henry? Where'd you go, Henry? Henry?
I'm back! I'm back! I'm back! Oh, that's a lot. Terrified, I got some more bread here. And the last piece of bread here. And these 2 half cups make 1 whole cup. Yay! Healings! Oh no! Are we doing the challenge, Joe?
All right, Henry. Henry's jalapeno. Henry's Tabasco sauce. Thanks, Henry.